Mom, you are the best.
At the heart of our lives.
You are the heart of our lives, our strength, our comfort, and our guide. Each of us carries a piece of you. Your kindness, your courage, and your love. You raised us with patience, sacrifice so much, and always give more than you had. No matter how old we got, we were always the boys. We miss you deeply, but your love will live in us forever. Thank you, Mom, for everything. Rest in peace.
Isn't a tribute ya siana siake, sia ome. Osavinya, gaino kokotevia. The next tribute near the daughter.
Mom, you are my first friend, my greatest teacher. It is okay, I'll try. I'll try.
Yes.
My further inspiration, you showed me what strength, grace, and uncomfortable love truly means. You held my hand through every season of my life. I thought you were alone. Although you are no longer here, I still feel your love guiding me. I miss your voice. I miss your hug. And I miss your laughter. But I carry on the spirit with me in everything I do. Thank you for being my mother. Every daughter dream. Oh, rest peacefully, Mom. You are always in my heart. Thank you so much.
Asante, Osavia Kenneth. Osavia.
Dear grandmother, you are the light in our lives, full of warmth, kindness, and endless love. Your hearts were the safest place. Your stories the most magical, and your smile the brightest in any room. You taught us how to be kind, how to love with all our hearts. We will remember your gentle voice, your soft hands, and the way you made each of us feel special. We will miss you more than words can say, but your love will live on in us every single day. We love you forever, grandmother.
Asante sana kwa hiyo nguvu umekuwa nayo. Asante sana. Selina. Oi. Sana katika mahali hapa.
Nakusa
katika sala za Mtakatifu Monica na kiongozi wa CWA. Tutaomba pamoja wala tukuna.
Mboya ya Modeu Monica. Modeu Monica inyawaitu na mutuboye waitu. Ulama inama inge patonye ngo yake. Wela ya kupango yaku kanapo asa mwekeo. Mwa boye mume wako Patricia na mwana wako Agostino. Mario na mwezi akusewe kwa. Tunengeo waitu umezosu waida kwa atoimwe.
Tuelewe katika juu ya
ndio huyo hapo.
Oh, kwa sawa? Haya, msaidieni ndio wapatie mwekelee juu. Haya, ya watoto. Watoto wa Selina. Where are the boys?
Wachukua ama watoto?
Watoto wake. Haya, wajukuu wake ni wengi. Yao ni hii kubwa.